Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. This week we're starting out strong with some laundry and uploading my video from last week and cleaning out my catch-all receipt drawer. I had so many receipts stuffed in here. This is sort of like our catch-all drawer. I don't know if you have one in your house, but this is ours. So I just got really fed up and decided it's gotta go now. So that's what I'm doing. How are you guys doing? Like, how are you back with the back to school? Are you doing all right? Are you tired? Are the kids waking up on time? Let me know what's going on. Welcome back to the vlog. So, happy Sunday. Doing laundry. Yesterday was the in-bed day. Back pain was quite bad. Still is, but not as bad as yesterday. So, what are we gonna do? We're gonna fix my calendar because it's now a week into September. We haven't done the calendar yet. My kid is in my skin. All day, every day, she's in my skin. So, anybody else have a kid that they can't promise not to? Anyway, here she is. Say hi.
Hi, vlog. I love it when she vlogs me cooking, and I love it when she vlogs everything.
Anyway, we're gonna work on our calendar for the month now.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body.
Whoop. So let's do a little unboxing of some things I got on Shein. Mostly nails related. Just wanted to one thing. Shein will send everything in one bag. Always. I haven't done my nails because the UV lamp that I had stopped working and I couldn't be bothered, so I just gave my nails a break until I just got a bunch of random things, as is the Shein way. These are travel cubes. Remember I was talking about these last time? They made my life so much better. So I got a set. My husband is cooking. Hopefully you can hear me over the clamoring. So here's like a pouch. It comes with a pouch. There's another piece. It just made packing so much easier. I thought let's get a set. That's 2, 3. So it has a handle so you like hang it up. And then here's like a string bag. And I feel like, I'm not sure it could take wet stuff. So no, but it would probably. So like drawstring bag. And here's another. It was so great to keep my unmentionables in one of these. And like socks, and for everybody. It was great, like I said. How much that? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces so far. So this is piece number 6. It's like a bag. Seven also has that shape, but these ones have like the snaps inside of them to hold things down. And then this is the bigger one, the largest one, which is piece number 8, which also has the snaps. This is great. I've had it in my cart, so I figured don't wait until you need it. Next item is the lamp. And there's no cord. You know what's saying? I wonder if it fell out. Maybe this is it. I think this is it. It fell out. I was gonna be upset. Yes, it belongs. Okay, so the one that I had before, like I said, it stopped working, needed another one, so I decided I would wait. They're smaller than I thought. Some travel towel things. They're supposed to be able to wet. And once the water touches it, it unfolds to make it like a bigger sort of like washcloth. I had them in my cart last time before I traveled, and then I didn't get them and I regretted it. So now we have quite a few. Got some nail files. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. I also got a flash lamp, another UV lamp to like flash cure. I might do gel nails. Like I might start, you know, applying them like gel nails. Not might, I will. That's what I'm going for. So here it is. A lamp. It's pretty flexible. clip it on somewhere for flash curing. So hopefully now if one goes out, I'll have the other one to help me. Oh, and here's some nails for the gel nails. I have to buy the glue. I didn't buy glue on there. I think I'm gonna buy those on Amazon. This is, how many are these? These are 420 nails for the gel nails. They're transparent, matte, and they're like almond shaped. So that's 420 of these, and that was for $4. Buffing sponges. I don't really have high hopes for this. This is a nail grinder, but it's got a few bits. And then this is the body of it. It's a nail drill. And this is the gel polish. This is polish. I think I'm regularly going to go to the salon again. But that's, you know, it's a base coat and top coat. More nails. Oh my gosh. Color gel. They're about like pastel. That's three. There's 10 of these. The colors are very slightly different. But yeah. Oh, and cuticle remover. Like I said, mini salon at this point. And then I bought a little bit of a outfit for the young lady. Ooh. And it's a cute little outfit. Oh. Good morning. So quick. There's music, but I don't know if you can hear it. But we're at the supermarket. I've got a couple of things I want to accomplish today. And coming to the supermarket is one of them. We just got back from drop off. I know that I want to get some fruits and just some things. Like I feel like whenever, like I work from home a lot of the time, and I feel like whenever I'm looking for lunch stuff, there isn't anything. So I'm gonna get some lunch, breakfast type of things and some fruits, whatever that looks like, to start my day. And then I'm gonna go clean up the apartment, just to, I like to get started on like cleanup and things like that early whenever I'm off on a Friday. So that's what I'm gonna do.
I'm just trying to get by. I don't know how you do it. Trying to keep you off my mind. I can't hold to
I had planned to do the whole house and then do some laundry, but once I got done with the living room, I realized that my husband went ahead and took care of the bedrooms. And who's gonna strip those beds just to do some laundry? Not me. Not me. So I left that as another day's problem and pretty much just opened up some windows, let some light and some air in, and then packed my daughter's bag because she had gymnastics later in the day.
You did that, yeah, you crossed the line about 1,000 times and I did that. Yeah, I stayed a while, tried to make it right. A cigarette, no, I never smoked, but my heart is broke, explosive. Stressing for that old thing back. That initial love, all the goosebumps, those flutters in my gut, turn into disgust. What a waste of love, babe. I just wanna go back to how it was, lay in each other's arms all day. Send me gifts just because. Tell me where we went wrong. Started out as homies, ended up as lovers. How'd it get so ugly? Can't we rediscover, baby, what it was? Or let's be honest, it was just a love bomb. You were so romantic, we were picture perfect. So much freaking passion, why we never got it back, babe? It was just a love bomb. Really wish you didn't push me away. I was willing to try long as it takes. I would never say we were a mistake, but fleeting romance doesn't a lifetime make. That initial love, all the goosebumps, those flutters in my gut, turn into disgust. What a waste of love, babe. I just wanna go back to how it was, baby. Lay in each other's arms.
Alright, so I'm always forgetting to close out the vlog, but I'm doing that today. See? Yay! There's not too much else going on today. I'm just gonna spread out. I'm rewatching Charmed right now. Like, I have different rotations where I'm either reading something or I'm watching something. Right now I'm watching Charmed, and not like the new Charmed, like OG Charmed, not whatever they've got going on today. So that's it. Just gonna hang around until my little lady comes from school. We're gonna hang around a little bit, then she has gymnastics and it'll be date night. I don't know what we're doing yet, but yeah, that's our week. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.